Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
So now as an attacker, we may have gotten unauthorized access to the target network by doing things like placing rogue APs, evil twins, find out what the hidden SSIDs are. The next step is to crack the security that's completely stopping us. Now, how we achieve this totally depends on the encryption that's being utilized. And there are many tools based off of our requirements. We obviously know about Aircrack-ng and its suite of tools. On the Mac platform, we have something called KissMac, which is basically a playoff of Kismet, which is designed to run on a Linux environment. KissMac, though, has the ability to scan networks passively on cards that it supports, like Apple's Airport or Airport Extreme. It has the ability to crack WEP and WPA keys, or other flaws such as weak scheduling or weak generated keys. It can also, with the right card, do packet injection. It can draw area maps of network coverage. It can implement a deauthentication attack. And besides, who's a cute little beaver? That is a beaver, right? We also know about Kali Linux, which has, another day to use my phrase. It has a plethora of tools. We've just talked about Aircrack-ng, but it's got a ton of tools as far as wireless cracking is concerned. It also has Killer Bee, Blue Pot, Blue Ranger, Red Fang, Wi-Fi Honey. We could spend hours going over that information. And of course, if you're on the Windows platform, good old Cain and Abel also has the ability to do some cracking for us. Now, in the aspect of Cain and Abel, as well as some of these other products, many times we need still that Air PCAP USB dongle to get it to work correctly. I'm sure there's other tools you guys can think of as well. I know there's Elcom Wireless Security Auditor, there's Cloud Cracker and other online services, but using the cloud environment, they crack your key. It's like 17 bucks. Which really isn't that expensive when you think about it. But enough talk, let me show you what you could do with Reaver, which is a utility inside of Kali Linux.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.